Event type is emergency watch and EMP, ACT meaning an ongoing emergency is happening and you need to listen about the stuff around you. Unusual high temperatures have been happening across the globe with temperatures going around the 100s in Fahrenheit. Due to the hot temperatures, fires have also been happening throughout the whole world. It is recommended to go to the coolest spot near you, wear the lightest clothing possible, and drink plenty of fluids. These 3 actions can ensure your safety and possibly prevent heat stroke. Tune into any device to stay updated to this situation.